Okay folks, welcome back. Just finished stage 1 of my brand new system, and I've got water going around cycling at the moment, just about ready to put stone in it. I'll show you how I'm going to clean my stone. I've got a new easy and quick way of cleaning my stone now. I'll take you through a little walkthrough through the system before I start doing my stone, so you can have a look and see what I've done. Any questions, suggestions, any of that type of stuff, just let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll show you my system. So what I got here is the main IBC fish tank. Next to that I've got my flow filter. Next to that is one grow bed finished, and down the back is my small sump, temporary sump at the moment. This pipe coming up here is my homemade Venturi. I'll see if I can give you a good shot at it. So that's my homemade Venturi. Basically just searched YouTube and got the ideas off of there to build one. There's plenty of stuff on YouTube that you can go through to see. Check it out and you should be able to build one of your own. Just type in Venturis and there's a lot of videos on it. I'll do a video later on once my system's up and running on this Venturi, and it's just basically bits and pieces I found out the dump to actually build it. That's my fish tank. As you can see, 1,000 litres. My lifter pipe, which lifts up into my swell filter. Now all this stuff here was found at the dump, and the only things that I have brought is a bit of PVC pipe and fittings for it. But otherwise the rest of it was found at the dump. Flow filter, I don't know what it was. If anyone recognises it and knows what it was, let us know. It's a big flow filter, seems to be working fine. It's catching the solids down the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but all the solids that are being catched down the bottom, that's the inlet pipe just there. So that comes out of the fish tank there, down the inlet and into the flow filter. This pipe here goes down the back, down into my sump. My sump's temporary until I can find something bigger to go into the sump. One grow bed's actually emptying out at the moment. The pump is a 4,000 litre an hour pump. P into the fish tank and P to the grow bed. Grow bed's half a blue barrel, so I've got a blue barrel cut in half. Made up a frame for it to fit on, and if you look underneath, I've got a 4-inch pipe. The 4-inch pipe with a hole drilled in it just butts up to each grow bed. Extra strapping, so I've got extra strapping on there, strapping around the 4-inch pipe. Hold the 4-inch pipe up, and basically what will happen is the next grow bed will just butt on. There'll be a walkway sort of in the middle of the two grow beds, and the next grow bed butts on there, and so on, and I'll work my way down. Straightforward, I'm putting lava rock in. I've started putting it in. Same thing as a lot of people on YouTube with their bell siphons. Just the normal bell siphon, the air hose in the top to break it. I haven't had this one fail yet, it's worked every time. The other one I'm still getting that right, getting it in just the right position for that to work properly. This bit over the top will be to put on some mesh, keep out all the white butterflies and all that type of stuff. Just a bit of pipe in there. It's loose, so if I want to take it off, I can take it off and just put the pipe over like that, and it sits in there like that. So that's basically my grow beds, fish tank, and that completed stage 1. So what I'm going to do now is finish off my stone. I'm going to show you how I wash my stone. It's pretty simple. What I'm doing is I'm borrowing one of the worm farm adders that's got lots of holes in it. Went to fish and chip shop and got one of these for free. Washed it thoroughly, and I put my stone in there, water running, and then I can jiggle it and move it around, wash all the stone. Once it's washed, I can take it out, give it another rinse, and then put it into my grow beds. That's basically how I'm going to wash my stone. So I'll leave it at that for the minute, folks, and I shall get back to you.